Alright, this is going to be a little weird one. This is going to be the first compressor I've ever actually owned. It's a McGraw 8-gallon portable compressor. It's oil free, 150 max PSI, CFM, 1.5 horsepower. It seems pretty strong, especially when you look at the back. Everything that it is able to use. So, there's not a lot of information on this compressor. Actually, none at all. Especially on YouTube, there's no reviews. So, it's gonna be interesting. Oh, that's interesting. It already comes with it. I just bought one yesterday. Damn. Okay, so gonna take some time to read this and see you in a bit. Alright, let's start by attaching the wheels. Let's plug her in and see what happens. Woo. It was on. It's pretty loud. It's supposed to be quiet. So I'm gonna wait just a little longer, make sure everyone's awake, and start it then again. I've been taking some time to sort of learn how to use the new compressor. It's loud, but it's not too loud. It's, well, perfect. I literally did this in less than 3 minutes. Turns out the problem was not my gun. The problem was the compressor. It was just way too small, and look. It's running out of paint, but you get the idea. Let me put more paint and then I'll show you what I mean. I do have a little bit of an air leak because I did not use Teflon tape, but let's keep going. That's weird. It was spraying fine, but now it's... Let me up the pressure a little bit. I just put Teflon tape on here, you can see, and it's actually the fitting itself that is leaking. So now the tank is off, so let me show you. There, that's it. I just turned off the pressure regulator and that's it. As of right now, I cannot complain about the air compressor. It's done a whole lot better than I thought it would do. This is just going to be part one. The second part is basically when I'm done with my car. I need to go over this because there's a few spots here. I missed that, but you probably can't see that anyways because you got the light there. Ah, the dog. So I also finished the trunk today. This, the bumper, the front, I'm gonna have to do tomorrow when I come back from work. Or I could wake up half an hour early since I'm starting work at 8. But it's probably not a good idea to leave the compressor with some air inside. No, I'm not gonna do that. Changed my mind. So I have to wet sand a little over there. So far, not bad. That's the end of today's video. Gonna clean the tools and I'll see you next time.